What is a server? So that is a topic of this video. A server is a specialized computer or system that provides services and resources to other computers, known as clients, in a network. You've probably heard of the server and client relationship. I would like to explain the relationship between client and server with a real-life example. For example, you went to eat at a restaurant. You are now a client. The waiter came to your table and asked what you wanted. After the waiter takes the order, he transmits the order details to the chef working in the kitchen. You can think of the waiter as a network. The kitchen where the chef prepares the orders is actually a server. Chef is a program running on that server. You can imagine the client-server relationship this way. Now let's go into a little more detail. Fundamentally, there is no difference between server and computer. Both devices have the same components. The only difference is that the hardware of servers is more advanced than other computers. Servers are an essential part of modern computing infrastructure. Servers play a crucial role in facilitating communication, data storage, and the delivery of various services. Servers centralize resources and provide a centralized location for data storage, processing, and management. This centralization makes it easier to control and organize data, applications, and services in a networked environment. Servers are designed to provide specific services to other devices on the network. These services can include file storage and retrieval, website hosting, email communication, database management, and more. Servers often have large storage capacities to store and manage data for users and applications. This centralized data storage allows users to access their files and information from different devices and locations. Servers enable resource sharing among multiple users or clients. For example, a print server allows multiple users to share a printer, and a file server allows users to access shared files and documents. Servers play a crucial role in managing security and authentication in a networked environment. They control access to resources, authenticate users, and implement security protocols to safeguard data and services. Servers facilitate communication between different devices on a network. For example, an email server manages the sending and receiving of emails, while a chat server facilitates real-time communication between users. In high-traffic scenarios, multiple servers can be employed to share the load and balance the demand for resources. This helps ensure optimal performance and prevents individual servers from becoming overloaded. Servers enable remote access to resources and services. Users can access their files, applications, or even an entire desktop environment from a remote location. Servers are often used to implement backup and recovery solutions. Regular backups of data stored on servers help prevent data loss in case of hardware failures, disasters, or other unforeseen events. In summary, servers are essential components of networked systems, providing the infrastructure and services that enable communication, resource sharing, and centralized management of data and applications. They form the backbone of modern computing and are integral to the functioning of various online services and businesses. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video.